everyone! We are going to dye some roving today. We're using Easter egg tablets because I bought so many on clearance. Yay! So I had this idea to do kind of a rainbow wicking effect. Like, I know as a kid I did it with paper towels, but I want to try it with roving. So I kind of did a rainbow shape, and I followed the instructions because they came with the cup, and I filled the number 1 line to the number 1 line with vinegar, and then to the number 2 line with water, and I doubled that and put them in these bigger containers. And I didn't have anything, so I used leftover recyclables. Reduce, reuse, recycle, right? Okay, so I soaked the roving for about 30 minutes. Oh, it was maybe closer to an hour once I got everything ready. And I'm sectioning off kind of where I want each piece of the roving to go to try to divide it as equally as possible. Okay, so it's been about 20-25 minutes, somewhere around there, and it wasn't spreading as I liked, so I kind of, the white parts in between, I kind of dipped into each color, and now I have it sitting in one color or the other. The green has already cleared, so I don't have the ends sitting in there, and I kind of, just because I want some color overlap, I want a little bit of purple, I want some of those secondary and tertiary colors coming through a little bit. And I'm going to let this sit, and hopefully the rest of the dye will clear. If not, we'll have to use it with my, my spare skein of yarn that we're using to add all the extra dye to. Okay, so most of the colors are exhausted. I think the blue's the only one that's not, but the blue looks very saturated. So I'm gonna take it out. I do need to heat process this, which I will be steaming covered in the oven.